Hi, Holly here from Tugger. In this video I want to show you our filter menu on our Tugger Reports in Power BI. Okay, as you can see I have Power BI Desktop open here. Now with Power BI Desktop, when you click you have to hold down the Control key, whereas in Power BI Service or once you have published your reports, it's just a simple click. Okay, so as you can see I have the Open Deals tab open here. So if we come up to this black bar, on the top right you can see the three blue lines with the circles. That's our filter menu icon. So control click. And now you can see that we can filter by date range, by company or by salesperson. So for date range we can choose a start date, an end date, or just one particular day. And for company, we can choose all companies, multiple companies, or just one single company. And likewise for salesperson, we can choose all, multiple, or just one individual salesperson. So I'm just going to choose a couple here. And as you can see, once I click on the filter, my report updates accordingly. And it's as simple as that. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.